We've had the GE Cafe range for 9 years, and the meat thermometer probe broke with very little usage. We used it maybe 5 times a year. So to my dismay, the replacement probe would cost nearly $150. That's crazy expensive. So I did some searching on Amazon and found this highly rated probe for $15. However, it had a different part number and was not listed as compatible with our GE Cafe range. The reviews were mixed as to whether it was compatible or not. So I figured for $15 I could always return it if it didn't work. Spoiler alert, with a simple modification, yes, it does work. Not only that, it has a longer cord. As you can see, the tip of the plug is slightly different. It's different enough that the plug is loose. This is bad because it won't have proper contact with the receptor and therefore will not work. So the solution is simple. I happen to have a silicone O-ring that I can slip into the plug. High quality silicone because it can withstand oven temperatures. Don't use rubber because it will melt and ruin the oven. I already had a box of these O-rings, but they're expensive if you're only using one. Another idea is to use nuts or other materials to fill the gap. I don't know the size. And that's it. As you can see, it inserts as usual for a nice tight fit. As of this review, I've used it 3 times along with 2 other thermometers to ensure the accuracy of the probe. There was very little variance between the thermometers. As far as quality is concerned, it seems just as good as the OEM. Only time will tell if it will last. So yeah, for $15, I'm definitely keeping this. Please subscribe, like, and hit notify. Thanks for watching.